This video is sponsored by Harry's. There's a beautiful simplicity to the rigid 90s Konas with the Project 2 forks. So when I found this 1997 Kona Hahanna at the Salt Lake Bicycle Collective, I had to pick it up. Also, over the last year or so, I've been collecting parts that would be perfect for a build just like this. I'm a big fan of the 8-speed Shimano LX group set. I think they're sleek, beautiful, and just recently I completed my full set so it was ready for a build just like this. But before we get into that, I wanted to talk a little bit about our sponsor for today's video, Harry's. I told you guys I've been using Harry's for a while. This is actually my old Harry's razor that I've had probably for 3 or 4 years now. The replaceable heads make it really simple to just change out your old head for a new one and keep your razor fresh and clean. Now you probably don't need to do a full cleanup like I'm doing here, but they're good razors. Well made, quality, and they've worked great for me for the last several years. As a sponsor, Harry's is also offering a chance for you to get a trial set for just $3 when you go to harrys.com/oldshovel. In that set, you'll get the razor, you'll get a sample size of the foaming shave gel, and a small head guard to cover up your razor and keep it nice and clean. It's a great deal. Check it out. So if you're someone like me who needs to shave every once in a while, I highly recommend Harry's. They're quality razors that come at a really affordable price, reasonable. I'm a big fan also of the precision trimmer. It helps clean up everything right up under my nose and works great. And it's a great way for you to help support videos like this in the future. So pick up your trial set for just $3 when you go again to harrys.com/oldshovel. And let's get back to the build. Okay. This was one of those bikes that it really felt like all of the parts found me so that they could come together. Some of these parts I've actually had for quite a while, and to put them all together on this Kona Hahanna just seemed perfect. It really fulfilled a gap in my bike lineup, which, as many of you know, I have quite a few now. But having this rigid, late 90s Kona Hahanna is just awesome. Also, I want to thank again Harry's for sponsoring this video. Be sure again to check out harrys.com/oldshovel to pick up your trial set for just $3. It's an awesome deal and a great way to support content like this. Also, my local trails are just beautiful at this time of the year. We've had enough rain that everything's green. And we have a new trail here in the Bountiful, Utah area called, it's an extension of the Bonneville Shoreline Trail that is just super, super smooth. It connects a few other trails and just makes riding in the area really awesome. And this bike was perfect for it. It's smooth and flowy and just beautiful. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, look for opportunities to give those old things new life. And I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.